Hi friends, welcome back and thank you much for watching. So I've been really into these fashion hauls lately, so I decided to film a few, and this time I will be talking about my and other stories and ARKET purchases. Some pieces that I recently bought and some pieces that I bought like probably a month, 2 months ago. But because usually on another stories they tend to have back in stock items all the time, so if you miss on something they will probably have it back in stock in like a couple of weeks, so that's always great. I will try to list everything in the description box or maybe some similar styles. Now OtherStories and ARKET are kind of like sister companies. They're both owned by the big H&M. So in terms of style they're kind of similar. Although I would say ARKET, it's definitely more of you can find a really good classic pieces, and it's also a sustainable fashion brand as far as I know. And OtherStories is like, for me, classics with a twist. So you can find really trendy pieces but also some classics as well, and they usually, all the pieces from both ARKET and OtherStories are really well made and just amazing quality. So I always like to shop there. So the first item I wanted to show you is from OtherStories. It's a jacket blazer that I picked up, I think probably like a month ago or something like this. I bought a few months ago the similar shape of jacket from OtherStories in a more like caramelly camel color, and I really loved it, and I've been wearing that non-stop. If you see my Instagram, if you follow me on my Instagram, you know that I love that. So I saw that they recently came out with this color, which is more like a ivory stone neutral color, and I said I just need to have it. I just need to have this jacket, and of course I will show you a close-up and how it looks on me. But I really like the buttons, I really like the collar in here. It's also quite an elongated jacket, which means that this will kind of camouflage my ass, which is always great. It's not extremely heavy, but it comes a bit oversized. So this one, stony one, I got in the size 36, and the caramelly camel one I got in the size 38 because I could not find my size on the website. And unfortunately at the moment this jacket is sold out, but as I mentioned, they do have some back in stock items from time to time, and this one is a jacket that comes back in stock. But they do also have some other colors with a similar shape of blazer jacket, so I will link those in the description box as well. More of a recent purchase from OtherStories is this shirt. This is kind of like a linen blend shirt, and it's in this like a khaki color, I would say. I really wanted a linen shirt. I really like linen in general, especially for spring summer. I think it's just the best material, the best fabric ever, and I really like the shape of this one. I got this one in the size 36, and it's not really as I expected it to be because it's a bit more kind of loose on the upper part and tight on the lower part, and it's not as elongated as I wish it was. On Massimo Dutti they have some really like more classic linen shirts, so I will definitely pick one of those. This is more of a like a classic with a twist, as I said about OtherStories. Next I have a set that I actually got probably 9-10 months ago, but I saw that they still have in stock from time to time this blazer and also the pants that come with this, so I decided to include it in here because I don't think I talked about this on my channel. But it's this like ivory one, and this set is just so, I don't know, when I wear everything white, and especially in this, it's again another like linen blend, and I don't know, I just think that this looks so expensive, and it's so well made as well, and I really like the pants as well. I will show you how this looks like a whole ensemble. I don't know, something about white, like this off-whitey color in summer is just, you know, perfection in my opinion. So if this comes back in stock, I highly recommend this set. I highly recommend, I mean, the blazer and the pants on their own, but as a set, it's just... I have some dresses from OtherStories, the recent ones. They still have these on their website. The first one is this one. It's kind of like a more flowy, again, really flowy summer dress. It's not super short, but it's not a medium length. It's kind of like near your ankles in a way, but I like to wear this with kind of a white belt, just to make it a bit more shorter. This one comes in this like ivory kind of color, creamy one with, I would say, kind of like a porcelain design. I don't know, maybe this royal blue color really reminds me of you know, those Chinese porcelain, really expensive Chinese porcelain pieces. But as I said, it's super flowy. It's also lined, and this next dress I picked up because I'm going to Morocco very soon. This screams Morocco, in my opinion, and it's this one. It's just kind of plain, but this material, this satiny material, makes it look quite expensive as well. And also you have these like kind of pompons. I like the sleeves. I think this will be perfect for Marrakesh, and also maybe going to the desert, again with a belt probably, because I like to accentuate my waist whenever I can. And then I also got a pair of shorts, and I absolutely love the design. I love this kind of design, like something a bit more like a mix in between Bermuda shorts and a bit more classic-y shorts. So they're not super short, and they also have this belt on the waist. Again, everything that I need for the shorts. I will show you a close-up. But again, this like ivory color that I think will go very well with the blazer that I showed you earlier. And they're quite, they kind of, you know, body hugging, but not really. I mean, especially on the tight area, because I like my thighs to be not like suffocated in shorts. I think it's just more flattering this way. Last item from Another Stories. This one, I believe it's right now in their promotions sales section, and it's just a shirt I highly recommend, because it's just so beautiful. It's just so universal. It's in this more like a pinkish color. Now I washed this with, unfortunately, with something that discolored the color a little bit, so it's not as bright as it used to be. So yeah, I'm a bit of an idiot when washing my clothes, but this is absolutely stunning, and especially the bouffant kind of sleeves and the shape in general, just like a strawberry shirt in my opinion. And now moving to ARKET, I got only 2 items, and both are shirts and both are white shirts, but they're different styles. The first one is like a slim shirt, again like a classic. I got this one in the size 38, I believe, and the second one is their oversized fit white shirt. This one I got in the size 36. I think it's just important to have this kind of classic pieces. You never know when you will need to wear them, and I mean, they go well with probably everything. And that is everything I want to show you in this haul. I hope you enjoyed watching this. Let me know if you know about these brands, or if you like Another Stories or ARKET, or maybe you wanted to shop there, or maybe you picked something recently and you think it's amazing. Please share that with us in the comments. I will see you in my next video. Take care. Love you. Bye.